Once you are logged into the mobile app, you will see this dashboard. To log off the job hours, you can click on the plus icon in the bottom right of the screen. The screen for off the job hours will appear. Click on the calendar icon and select the date of the activity being logged. Click on the clock icon to input the start time for the activity. You can use the arrows to select the hour and minutes of the start time. Input the total time of the activity by typing the amount of time in the hours and minutes fields. Click on the Activity Type drop-down menu to select the type of activity that closely represents the one you are logging. You now need to type a description of the activity that you are logging. Below the box are a few prompt questions to help guide you in what to write. Once you are happy with what you have inputted, click Add Hours. To keep track of your logged hours, click the button with the 3 lines in the top left of the screen. Then from the pop-out menu, click Timelog. Scroll down to see your recent logged activity.